everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a quick review video for you, but also a brand new set of nails. Here are the nails, here they are, all done. This is the design that I went with. I got some beautiful new goodies from the nail candy shop. So she sent me some beautiful new glitters and things to review for her. So I will show you these glitters. So I have these beautiful glitters from the nail candy shop. These are the beautiful things that she sent me. I absolutely love what she sent me here. So we've got some crystal hearts. Please excuse the colour of my nails, they're still orange from my design a couple of weeks ago. I forgot to put a thin layer of clear acrylic before I put the powder on my nail and it stained my nails, so that's my own silly fault, so please excuse them. Then I have some beautiful AB rhinestones here from her. Can you see those there? Then I have some of these Fimo pieces of fruit. Cute. I love them, they're so lovely. And then we have some beautiful glitters. So the first one is called Perfectly Purple. So this is it here. How stunning is that? That is really beautiful. Open it up, hope it doesn't all fall out. There's tons of stuff in there, check that out, look at it, that's amazing. So that's Perfectly Purple. Then we have Confetti Cake. That's that there. It's like iridescent and it's got some little tiny pieces of tinsel in there. Then we have, this one is called Sapphire Waves. How lovely is that? Is that amazing or what? And then I have some pieces of mylar. Oops. Then we have some, this one is, oh, these are hollow circles. Absolutely love these. Can't wait to try these out. Dead excited to try them. Then we have Twinkle Twinkle. How gorgeous is that? So we've got stars, we've got some circles, we have glitter. It's lovely. That is so pretty. And then this is my favourite, last but not least, unicorns. How blooming cute is that? Check these out. How cute. As you can imagine, I'm very excited to use that. So, if you hear any noises in the background, it's because I've got my window open because it's an absolutely gorgeous day. It's so sunny, it's so warm. It's probably going to be the only summer day that we actually have in the UK. So please excuse the noise. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to use my Miss You Beauty liquid and powder, and I will be using these beautiful nail forms from Miss You Beauty to create my nail. I'm going for stiletto nails today and I will be sculpting them. So I have already prepped my nails, pushed back my cuticles and applied primer to my nails. So I'm just applying my nail forms in order to sculpt my nails. And with my clear acrylic liquid and powder, I encapsulate my nails. So in order for this video not to be like half an hour long, I don't film this on every nail, but I do encapsulate every nail with clear acrylic liquid and powder. And with some of these glitters, or well, with this particular mylar, what I did was, rather than mixing it in with clear powder, I just popped my brush in my liquid, then in my clear powder, and then I dipped the brush into the mylar. It was just to save me a little bit of time, but yeah, so that's how I applied the mylar to this nail. So once I applied all this to my nail, then I encapsulated with clear liquid and powder. So with my middle finger, I just laid down a layer of clear acrylic liquid and powder, and then I placed the circles, the hollow circles, on top of that powder, and then once again I encapsulated. On my little finger, again I did the same thing. I just laid down a layer of clear acrylic liquid and powder and placed my unicorn on that, and then again I encapsulated at the end. So in order to apply my crystal heart to my nail, I just placed down a tiny bead, or a small bead, sorry, of clear acrylic liquid and powder, and placed the heart down on that. I did the same with the AB rhinestone that I placed underneath the heart, and then with some glue I applied the bottom rhinestone to the nail. And then I applied my UV gel top coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I apply some cuticle oil. So here are my nails all finished, and I have applied my cuticle oil to them as well. So I'm really chuffed with these nails. I think the glitters are absolutely amazing. You need to check her out, guys, on her. She's got, her shop is www.thenailcandyshop.com, and she's on Instagram. So this is the.nail.candy.shop. I will leave you links to her website and her Instagram account and things like that for you to check these out. These glitters are absolutely amazing. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. Leave me a comment in the comments section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. The only thing that I didn't use in my video were these, but there was a lot going on, so I thought I'd just stick with what I'd got. I will be using those in the future though, because I think they're so cute and I love them. So I will pop some pictures on at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really do appreciate all the love and support that you do give me all the time. It's amazing. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up, as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and I am in a new room, so I will be back on Friday with a new video and with a little tour of my new salon. It's all set up. There are a few things that have got, like I said, a few things that have got to be done, so that will be finished very soon, and when it is, I will give you the grand tour. So I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.